Hey guys, sorry that I was late. Forgot to do washing machine destruction on Monday, so oh god dang it. Okay, so today I'm destroying like an extreme washing machine. Now instructions on those is I can't turn outside. Yeah. Outside this washing machine. Hopefully it works. What? But the circuit board broke, I guess, so hopefully that will destroy. Oh god. Very old is streaming. Okay, two. I would hopefully that will. I think that's starting to work. Yes. Two. Oh, that was a combustion. Well, I guess, guys, well, that was a good one. I think it smashed like the grunting a little bit, but, if it's, then, hopefully, I think it stayed on its suspension spring, and try a small stone, R2K17 is hopefully it works. Ah! Okay. Sorry for that, but really hurts it a bit. But anyway, guys, here we go again. god, did it just... Okay, so I'll be picking random stuff now, guys. Okay, guys, that was unexpected. I thought that was not gonna do anything, but it did do something, yes, to this wash machine, the Extreme Ink, and I got on it is hopefully, I guess this is on video, guys. Yes, it is. Just two of them. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah. Oh God. Reese, can't be doing that. Put this washing machine back together. Hopefully it works. Apparently this washing machine is surviving very good. Anyway, guys, hopefully it works this time. 3, 2, 1. I guess that's it now. Extreme Ink. Good. Wait, there's something food. Grinding. Ooh, still works. There's training piece. The same for then. Okay, so hopefully that works. So I guess that's it for this one. Well, it's still attempt 5, and I think I'll probably leave that then. So nice. Well. Well, that's it now. Well, that's it for this washing machine. I think that was a great time. I had a great time destroying this washing machine. That's the aftermath. So, the top panel, I think the top panel went flying off, I guess. So, actually, and the control board just snapped. Yes, probably the detergent drawer might have snapped that, but apparently, then the detergent drawer went off. Apparently, and I threw the small stone in. It was like smashing the side of the Grundig. Actually, the side of it. Yeah, it's. And then all of a sudden, this thing that snapped off. Just broke. The Grundig. Actually, and the Grundig fell. Probably is the gun. See, I think it might be okay, I guess, but. But it fell and broke. So unfortunately, guys. Farewell to this extreming or R2K17 extreme. I probably call that, I guess. Call it like this. R2K17 extreme washing machine. All because of this. I did this because it's just that the Grundig runs everything. Runs the motherboard, runs the motor. Well, I guess. Yeah, the motor still works, but it's probably the Grundig might have died during the explosion, the destruction. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.